Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to hide friends on Facebook. I will be showing some easy and simple steps to do so without wasting any time. Let's get started. Open Facebook. Click on the menu option at the top right corner. Click on Settings. At the top right corner, you can see an option for search. Click on it. Search friend. Here you can see an option for who can see your friend list. Click on it. Here we can change our privacy for friend list. Click on it. Here you can see some options for editing your friend list. You can set it to public, friends, friends except, specific friends, and if you want to hide them completely, then select only me. Now you have successfully hide your friends on Facebook. So these were some simple steps to follow. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.